Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 0x800f0831, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reset the Windows Update component. So I have a list for you. I have shared it in the description section of the video. All you need to do is copy this script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, paste this here and hit enter. I'll tell you what this would do. It will stop all services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution in cat2 folders. It will re-register all the DLLs. It will reset WinSock and then it will restart all services associated with Windows updates. Now, if this doesn't help, then the next solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters and then finally click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting the problems and then it will fix the problems if possible. And don't worry about this message, troubleshooters have been moved and this tool will be retired. They have been saying this for the past 3 years, nothing is being retired. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.